Today we're going to talk about the menus that are available on the premium gauge cluster with your international truck. We'll talk about the main features available standard with the truck, as well as some optional items that you may want to order when ordering a new truck. The premium gauge cluster is a 5-inch size screen, and standard on every one is the speed, odometer, and battery voltage. Also available is the transmission gear selection, as well as which gear you're in. The pagination control button is used to move through the menus, where there are up to 8 menus in total depending on what you've configured for your truck. The first menu available is your trip menu. It'll start with your speed, and using the pagination control and pushing down, you'll be able to see your fuel economy, and overall miles driven, along with engine hours. The second menu is your gauges. In there is your My Gauges, which is configurable by the customer based on gauges you want to see, and that's done in the setup screen, along with information on vehicle, which will give you your volt and speed, and engine, transmission, and axles are all available as optional gauges. The next tab menu is the alerts. Here you'll get any alerts identified for the vehicle, the engine, the ABS system, and the transmission. The next screen is your setup screen. This is used to turn the display off if you don't want it in your face, as well as the display settings, which will change the backlight intensity. You'll change your units from kilometers to miles, and as well as you change your languages from English to French or Spanish. The gauge view settings, this is where you go in and change your view for My Gauges as seen on the previous screen. You can pick up to 2 different gauges to look at. Also available in the gauge view settings is the ability to choose your top corner gauges. So here we have set up currently weather and the voltmeter. You also have the ability for speed and distance to empty, as well as DEF. The very bottom is resetting the factory defaults. After setup on this truck, we have the truck settings for the axle load. Here it shows you the weight load that is on the rear axle. Also optional is the transmission view for oil life, oil levels, the filter life, and the overall transmission health. Available options for most of the LTs and any international truck would be the adaptive cruise control, the PTO, and the tire pressure monitoring system. If those are chosen when you order and configure your truck, they'll be available on this screen as well. Additionally, you may get pop-up messages appearing while you're driving to show you important information with regards to the engine or any electrical systems in the truck. So that's a quick overview of what's available with the premium gauge cluster on your international truck. For more information and for more detail as far as each menu and how to configure everything, please click the link below. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments section and make sure to subscribe to our page. Thanks again for watching.